How to make Monopoly Go by faster. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Monopoly Go app. Launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. So to speed up a game of the Monopoly Go, you need to focus on building the monopolies quickly, and you also need to prioritize upgrading the landmarks. If you tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top right and select this map icon, here you can see different landmarks. You need to conquer all of these landmarks one by one. And another way is you need to utilize dice multipliers strategically. So when you play the Monopoly Go board game, you need to use the dice multipliers wisely enough to land on the high value properties. It'll maximize your chances of completing property sets. And the third method is you need to utilize events and tournaments. You need to participate in events and tournaments in order to earn extra dice rolls, cash, and other valuable rewards. You can complete property sets quickly. You can trade properties with others. You shouldn't be afraid to trade properties in order to complete your sets, even if it means giving up a slightly better deal in order to get the Monopoly. So that's how you can easily make Monopoly Go by faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.